Hey everyone, big news. Bytedance just dropped Seedream 4.0, their most powerful AI image editor yet. And guess what? People are already calling it a serious competitor to Google's Nano Banana. But here's the problem. If you go to the official site, you'll see you actually need to pay before you can even try it out. So in today's video, I'm going to solve that for you. I'll show you exactly how to use Seedream 4.0 for free, step by step, with live examples. And trust me, this tool is insane. Whether you're into AI art, product photography, or just fixing bad images, you're going to love it. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, share this video with a friend who loves AI tools, and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials. All right, let's dive in. The trick is using a platform called LLM Arena. I've dropped the link in the description below. You can log in for more flexibility, but honestly, you can even use it without an account. Once you're in, click on the image generation icon, then from the top left, select Battle Mode. Now choose Direct Chat, and from the model list, just select Seedream 4.0. Boom! You're in. Now let's test it with some real-world examples so you can see how powerful this really is. I uploaded a blurry photo of a lady and typed, "Upscale this image up to 32K resolution, sharpen details." The result? Seedream 4.0 transformed it into a hyper-detailed, ultra-crisp image that looks like it came straight from a high-end photo shoot. Perfect for restoring old or poor-quality photos. Next, I uploaded a photo of a man and prompted, "Change this man's outfit to a sleek black leather jacket with ripped jeans, standing confidently in a city street." The result? The outfit swap looked completely natural, like he actually wore those clothes during the photo shoot. This is a game changer for fashion mockups, e-commerce, or content creators. Finally, I uploaded a photo of a person and prompted, "Create a YouTube thumbnail with this person wearing clothes branded with Nano Banana, being chased by another character branded with Seedream 4. Add bold, eye-catching colors and dramatic lighting." The result? A click-worthy, hilarious thumbnail that looks like it was designed by a professional graphic artist. This is perfect for anyone making YouTube content. You can create custom thumbnails in minutes, and that's just scratching the surface. You can use Seedream 4.0 for photo restoration, product mockups, fantasy art, and more, all for free using this method. So that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you unlock Seedream 4.0 without spending a dime. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials and free tools, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.